videos to Sunshine Sound, where it's normally sunny here, but in today's video, I'm going to be introducing the next guest. It is day 10 and we are ready. If you don't know who I am, my name is Bumblebee and I am from Teen Titans Go. If you have no idea who that is, definitely go back to yesterday's video because I wasn't in. But for now, I'm going to be introducing Beret Girl from Goofy Movie. Let's get right into it. Hair, I've done the makeup. Now it's time to get into the outfit, and it is all black with a beret. So I'll be right back. Okay, this is the final look. I'm very happy with this outcome. This again did not cost me any money. I had all of these items at my house already. Also, I just thought I should say all of these Halloween costumes that I've done have been without spending money. So if you're looking for at-home costumes, this is your one-stop shop, because all I had to do was have leather pants and a black t-shirt or a black long sleeve and then a beret. That was it. This took me like 3 seconds to think of, because when I saw and remembered the movie, this was it. I was like, oh my gosh, that took like no time. Also, this one is a really good one because you can wear this to work. This is very appropriate for work. It's got all black. The eyeshadow might be a little out there, but like, who doesn't, who's gonna clock you on eyeshadow, So I love this. And I'm also very sad that this is the end, but stick around because we're gonna have some good things coming. I realized that I forgot something. Something super important. I don't know how I forgot her nose, but here it is. Here's her nose. This is it. This is the final look for real. Hi, I completely changed my mind. I was second guessing this wig because it's like a bright red and her hair is like a dark red. Then I started looking at TikToks and people are using bright red hair. So this is what I'm gonna use. And I have the beret on, and I also changed the shirt to a black turtleneck just to match it even more. So this is officially the final look. After changing it several times, this is it. Also, how do y'all feel about me in red hair? Let me stop. I really like this hair. This is a synthetic wig. It's in the style Amaryllis. I'll link it down below. It's from Outer, and I got it on Amazon. But anyway, regardless of that, I did change this wig off camera because I needed to make sure it fit correctly. I haven't worn it in a while, and I still put the beret on, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that I switched up things again, but I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for attending the last day and us going out with a bang and actually, you know, switching up the wig some. Love y'all so much, and see you in my next one. Happy Halloween.